Here is my 1986 Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard versus my 2015 Kohler Highline Class 5. They're both elongated, and if you want to check the video about the round Wellworth WaterGuard versus the 2006 Kohler Cimarron Class 5, check that video out. But anyways, let's look at the tank parts. The handle is obviously replaced. The fill valve is replaced, but it looks identical to the original because the original fill valves had, I think it had black of this and black ball cocks, and flush valves is original and the flapper is replacement, and it's a Corky. But that is it for this one. Let's check the Class 5. Handle's original, fill valve's replacement, and the aqua piston is the original. Let's get it a flush and see which one you like better. I like both toilets, but I like the Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard better in terms of flushes. But let's see how it does on performance tests and see which one does better. For the first test, let's see if it can take a grocery bag and a microfiber rack together. Looks like it took it with a little bit of struggle. Now let's try the Class 5 to see if it does any better. Looks like it took it as well. So, both toilets took it, which is a tie. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see if it can take 4 paper towels. But please do not flush paper towels in your toilets inside your houses because it can clog your pipes, sewer, and mess up the plumbing and cost some money to repair it. But let's see if it takes 4 paper towels. Looks like it took it without any problems. Now let's try the Class 5. Well, took it as well. It's a tie. I'm gonna double up to 8 to see which one does better in performance. Alright, here is 8 paper towels. Let's see how it does. It's an awesome toilet, but every toilet has its limits. Because I've seen modern toilets perform better than older ones because, for example, the Class 5 has better performance than other toilets, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna hate this old toilet. I still love these Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard toilets no matter what. I'm gonna give it a second flush after the tank is full. Flush 2. And it's not moving. That definitely failed it. Now let's see how the Class 5 does. Well, the Class 5 took it without any problems. Just for fun, let's see how it flushes on the second flush if the pipes are clogged. So, the Class 5 has won that test considering I took it without any problems. Now to the next test. For the next test, let's see if it can take a glove, 2 little bottles, and 1 bottle cap. Looks like it's partially clogged. I'm going to give it a second flush after the tank is full. Flush 2. It might be partially clogged. I'll be back after I fix that. As I was unclogging the Wellworth WaterGuard with this corky plunger over there, it didn't take too long to unclog it. I just flushed it with half a tank of water and it seems to flush fine. Now let's see how it does on Class 5. Press and release flush. It took the glove and bottle cap, but it did not take these two, so this did worse than the Wellworth WaterGuard, but let's see how it does on the second flush. Looks like the Class 5 took it in 2 flushes, and the Wellworth WaterGuard clogged, so I'm going to give a Class 5 a win on that test, but the Wellworth WaterGuard has a better flush than the Class 5. For the last test, let's see if it can take 22 bottle caps. Looks like it took them all. Now let's try the Kohler Highline Class 5 to see if it does as good as that. I think it took all of it as well. So, what I can say is the Class 5 has a little bit better performance, and the Kohler Wellworth WaterGuard has a better flush. So, those are my favorite Kohler toilets, the Wellworth WaterGuard and the Kohler Class 5. Well, the Class 5 in terms of performance, and the Wellworth WaterGuard in terms of flush, and how old it is. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos of toilet battles, will it flush, and tests, please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.